Hi, first graders. So I hope you had fun playing Two Turns to Build yesterday. If we were at school right now, we would be playing with some game mats and some popsicle stick bundles and popsicle ones. But we're trying to get creative so that you can still play at home. Today we're gonna take this game one step further. So it's played very similar as yesterday, but we're going to be recording our equations as we go. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that today. You can start by splitting your screen into halves, actually, as close to halves as we can make them. And then this side's going to be for you, and this side can be for your partner, just like yesterday. So I'm going to play with the spinner today since I played with my little bowl of numbers yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and make my first spin to get my tens, and I got 20. So I'm going to say 10, 20, and I'm going to write that number down. So I'm going to write carefully 20. And I know that I'm adding to it, so I'm going to go ahead and do the addition sign or the plus sign as well. I'm going to roll the dice for my ones, and I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write that. So 20 plus 4. You can get it to work. And then you can go ahead and count, or you might know that 20 and 4 ones is 24. So that's my first turn, and I'm recording the equation. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my second turn so that I know what I'm adding on to 24. So I got 10. And 10. Once again, I know I'm going to be adding 1, so I'm going to write plus. I got 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and write that down. And if you don't have enough working space and you have 2 devices, you could also play on 2 different screens. So you could be on one screen on an iPad, and your mom or dad could be on another screen on the computer if you need more space. So once again, you might need to count, or you might not. You might know that 10 and 5 more is 15. Okay, now we have the job of adding these 2 numbers together. So I'm going to use the same strategy as yesterday, and I'm going to work on putting my 10s into one pile and my 1s into a separate space. So I'm going to go ahead and move these 1s over here, and I'm going to move my 10 here. Okay, and then I'm going to count 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And without even counting the ones, I was already thinking that my total was going to be 39 because I know that 5 and 4, which are ones, make 9. I know that equation. So I counted 3 10s, which was 30, and then I knew that 5 plus 4 is 9. So there's my answer. I'm going to circle it so that it pops right off the page. And now it's my partner's turn. So I'm going to have my partner go ahead and spin the spinner. And my partner got 30. So that's 10, 20, 30. And now my partner needs to write down 30. Again, we know that we're adding some ones, so we're going to write plus. I got 2 ones, so 1, 2. 30 plus 2 equals 30, 31, 32. Okay, now it's my partner's second turn. So they spun 110 and 2 ones. Oh, I should go ahead and write that first. 10 plus, we got 2 ones, so 1, 2. 10 plus 2 equals, and again, a lot of you probably know this, 10 and 2 more equals 12. Okay, and then when we think about adding these numbers together, we want to organize our 10s and our 1s. So I'm going to go ahead and move my 1s over here and my 10 over here and go ahead and count. So I see I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So my partner got 44. Circle it. Okay, so my partner won today because they have a greater amount on their screen. They have 44 and I have 39, and we know that 44 is greater than 39. I did want to show you this tool that I forgot to show you yesterday. So this is a really easy way to share your work. You can come right down here. This is a share button. You can click on it, and then you can actually hit save image. And then you get a picture of your work, which your parents can help you put in your portfolio, which is pretty cool. So if you click on it, that's what I get to see. So that's a really neat feature when we're using the Math Learning Center apps. I hope you have fun playing this game today, and I hope you get to work on your 2-digit addition.